everyone. Now I'm inside the hotel in the closed loop of Beijing 2022 Winter Olympics. And now I'm going to show you my room. And this is a place maybe I will live in the following months and maybe during the quarantine. And this is the place I will work and live in the following days. And this is nothing but a normal hotel room. And I will show you the media bag, what is inside the media bag. I haven't opened it yet, but I will open it together with you. And you can see there are some decoration for the Chinese New Year and the iconic sign for the Winter Olympics. And also there's my desk. And this is a place for my work. And there is the working schedule. And here is the media bag. And this is the room service I ordered in the afternoon. And here is some equipment. And there is some entertainment that I bought. And also the restroom. Oh, there's a little cafe that I just decorated. And and this is the restroom. And this is the sanitizer that I bought in Tokyo. And I bring it here. Okay, so there some clothes, some warm outfit. So what is inside the media bag? It is a black bag. So this is for your name card, and good. Wow. So what's this? Let's open it. Sometimes I think you like there's a pin. Beijing 2022 pin. The Winter Olympic pin. I think it's a Paralympic pin. Anything else? Oh, this is a Beijing 2022 Winter Olympic pin. A pin and a notebook. We got a pen here. Chinese character Fu. This is for you to decorate the window. And this is for in China, very traditional Chinese design to make a good wish for the new year. Oh, this is 中国节. I think this is for cell phone decoration. Let's see what else we have here. Oh, I think this may be a scarf. This is a scarf. And also a hat here. Has a logo of Winter Olympics. Interesting. And oh, it's so warm. Let me see anything else. Have a notebook, Beijing 2022 notebook. They have all kinds of sports events of the winter games. They have the free ski, slope style, and alpine skiing, and everything. I like this one. So I think that's all. Book and a pen and the pin of Beijing 2022 Winter Olympics and the Paralympics. And also we have a temperature reserve bottle. And the hat and the scarf. Do you like it? And also this one. Interesting. I can just put it on my cell phone. That's all for the media pack.